Generator set main parts. There are different components to generator sets. These are the main parts. Engine produces the mechanical energy, horsepower, required to operate the alternator which generates electric power. There are several options available as a fuel source for the engine. They are diesel, biogas, bi-fuel, natural gas or propane. The speed for generator set engines are fixed speed, usually 1800 RPM for 60 Hz and 1500 RPM for 50 Hz. There are also medium and low speed engines that are typically used for prime power applications. The cooling system could be water-cooled or air-cooled. Typically, the water-cooled cooling system is used, and it has a radiator and a pump which recirculates the coolant through the engine block. Alternator. It turns the mechanical energy into electrical power by magnetic induction. Its main parts are the stator, which is the stationary component, and the rotor, which is the component that spins and produces a magnetic field around the stator, producing alternating current, AC. The alternator could be configured for single-phase or three-phase. Also, the voltage is configurable, and in some cases the alternator can be reconnected to the desired voltage. The combination of the horsepower of the engine and the kVA or kW size of the alternator will determine the total power output of a generator set in kVA or kW. Circuit breaker. It is used to protect the generator-alternator components. Skid. This part of the generator set is where the engine, radiator, alternator, and control module are mounted together. Depending on the skid design, it could have an integral sub-base tank. Fuel tank. Either a sub-base tank or an external tank should be designed to run the generator set for the required time as needed. Enclosure or container. Generator sets can be configured as open units or with an enclosure or ISO container. The enclosure or container protects the generator set from the weather and also will lower the noise. Control panel. The digital control panel controls the generator parameters, monitors various outputs, displays fault codes and logs each event for diagnostic assistance, displays alarms to provide troubleshooting solutions, and shuts down generator set for the generator set's protection. Braggs and Hayes. Decide with energy.